How's everybody doing? This is how I put the paneling on. Eventually you're going to have to do one low side, you're going to have to do the other low side, meaning the low side here. So you can either elect to measure out your studs and draw lines on the back of your panel and put the glue on there, or you can just, this is probably the quickest and the easiest way. You'll hear a lot of buzzing noise. That's the fan. It's like 103 outside, so it's maybe 100 degrees in here. I guess I may have to go and turn the fan off so it doesn't dry my glue out, but I'm trying to get this on here pretty quick. I mean, you know, if you're gonna build one of these and you want it to come out, hang out like this, then you're gonna have to know how to do this, because it's not the easiest thing in the world here. But it can be done, and if you have somebody to help you, it makes a big difference. I don't have anybody help me here because it's a weekday and my wife's at work. I get to stay home and play camper today. I don't have to worry about getting glue on the wood anywhere. We're gonna paint this camper. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to move as fast as you can without hurting yourself or. Trying to make too big of a mess out of your equipment and your floor. I just had the floor painted maybe about 6 months ago. Gonna have to repaint it again. You hear me breathing hard because I'm old. Looks like I had just enough glue in my cup. Yeah, barely. Alrighty. There's the next one right there. Yep, it will pop. It will pop loose. It's just the nature of the beast. You'll have to come back and hammer some of those down because some of that stuff is not gonna, some of those staples are not gonna go in at an angle like that. They'll go in a little bit, but not all the way. And I can feel where the stud is. Sometimes you miss a stud, sometimes you don't. So, like I said, sometimes it just requires a little bit more work. I'm going to set this off for now and finish this on up. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.